Other new arrival, the 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible, bright blue metallic over blue, beautifully restored, one of 2,900 built, numbers matching 318, numbers matching manual. It's got an added shaker hood and the desirable pistol grip shifter.
I love that pistol grip.
You grab that thing.
It is the most iconic
I feel
shifter.
like I'm in control.
Yeah. Take aim.
We used to talk about, we should do that again. We talked about hood scoops that we liked, shifters that we liked, and spoilers that we liked, and things like that.
That's a good segment.
It was a great segment. It was a good old
days. Bring it back. We used to do the quiz and everything. We used to have all prizes. And,
we had nothing else to do. We talk about it. We couldn't get any guests. It was terrible.
Time to kill.